Well, hello there. I'm Ree with WTI. And do you want every night to be a starry night? Well, with these solar powered lights by JHBOX, it can really make even the cloudiest night feel special. My husband and I love these flower-shaped lights that turn into stars at night for so many different reasons. One of them especially is for security. They really help illuminate our dark entryway, and it also, besides security, it really provides a nice warm light ambiance, so it can even make for a really nice date night. We really love how essentially it's worry-free. Once you install it, you just turn the on switch on and it automatically turns on at nighttime. You don't have to do anything else because it's been charged throughout the day for about 6 to 8 hours is all it needs to provide you about 8 hours of light. And in the morning, it automatically turns off, and then it starts the cycle all over again. It's incredibly easy to install. We were able to install it in just a few minutes. You have everything you need. It comes with a whole kit with screws and anchors, and it's just lovely. We really highly recommend this. If you want every night to be a starry night, go get yourself some JHBOX lights. And that's our point of view.